How to fix try searching to get started on YouTube. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix try searching to get started on YouTube and get your YouTube recommendations back. YouTube uses your watch history to recommend videos you might like on the homepage. If you recently cleared your history or you are using incognito mode, YouTube can't track your watch history. This means YouTube has no data to recommend videos on the homepage. So to fix try searching to get started and get your YouTube recommendations back. First, open the YouTube mobile app. Tap the search bar. It's located at the top right corner of your screen. Find a channel you like. Search for any channel that interests you. It can be anything from gaming to music to cooking. Explore their content. Watch a couple of their videos. Repeat with another channel. Search for another channel you like, watch their videos, and subscribe if you want. The more you engage with content by searching and watching videos, the better YouTube understands your taste. It then uses this information to recommend videos you'll actually enjoy. By following these steps, you should see your personalized recommendations return to your YouTube homepage. And this is how to fix try searching to get started message and get your YouTube recommendations back. If you have any questions about fixing try searching to get started on YouTube, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.